Perfect, 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 Hello everybody. This is AndreJMcClendon. This is AndreJMcClendon Show. How are you, everyone? Everyone doing good? Put in the comments below how you guys are doing. But today we're going to do the market wrap up and go into some stuff that's been happening, especially with the government, and get into some trading. And after that we're going to some budgeting. So stay tuned. I got some charts to show you. Let's jump into it. So the first thing is, it seems like we have an influx of democratic socialists. So over the last 24 hours, I was supposed to make this video a little bit earlier. I've been really watching a lot of videos and reading about Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's wealth tax, and Elizabeth Warren's wealth tax. And they're both driving it pretty hard. Now, with Ocasio-Cortez's one, she really is going for the 70% tax, which is, wow, outrageous. But Elizabeth Warren is going for wealth tax. Now that is some crazy stuff. And it's interesting that neither one of them will be paying this tax. I don't understand why people make taxes that they won't pay. I mean, I understand why they do it. It's this extra cash that they didn't have to work for, and it just comes in. But the questions I would ask is why this kind of tax? Two, what is it? Why do you need this influx of cash? What are you trying to pay for? What do you need this money for? You guys already overspend anyways. Every single year you overspend. Even if you get this extra cash to come in, you're going to overspend that and ask for more. And the percentages that you're asking at 2 or 3%, are they fixed? Is it 2 to 3% this year, 6% next year, 10% more and more? And then you'll get to a point where people just leave. So that's my 2 cents on that. Guys, drop a comment below. What do you guys think about the wealth tax for the wealth taxes that they're proposing for Elizabeth Warren and Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez? So we got some big movers this week. We got gold and silver, one of my favorite things to trade, and they have massive movement. Gold barely broke into the 1300s. That is some insane stuff. It was a really good move up. We had swipe trades take a piece of that, and also we got some trading on a harmonic scanner. It was really good. Also, we have some litecoin about to be in it. So here's the first chart, the first page I want to show you. Alright guys, go to this website right here I'm showing you now, investing.com. Okay, you guys should be seeing it right now. Alright, now I already built up the chart for you guys, so you can just examine. This is Litecoin USD on the 4-hour candlestick. Okay, cool. So I'm proposing that Litecoin does a temporary high into the 35 to 37 location area. But my typical thing when it comes to Litecoin, I think it's going to go lower. I want it to go back to the 23, 20, 25 range location. That's not how I want it to be. I mean, that's how I see the charts. So I drew a simple chart for you guys to break down some major support and resistance areas, and the gold areas where I think that Litecoin is going to be its direction. So I think it's going to bounce off. It's going to bounce, hit the resistance level of the top blue marks, and then get pushed back down to its current price level, do a little bounce, get pushed down to the second major support area down here. That's like the 29 to 30 level, and then get pushed ultimately down lower. There's going to be some pullbacks here and there to the 23 point, and then do a massive buy up. I think it needs to repeat that same move to either head down lower, or to confirm that it really wants to go higher and make that move back up. Could it can't do that? We'll see what the market does. And some things I really want to go into is passive cash flow, especially with this government shutdown. I know it's been kicked back a little bit longer and it's reactivated, but find cash flow somewhere through giving out loans. That's what I do, or investing to the markets to get passive cash flow, doing something to get paid while you're not there to help supplement the problems. Now, what I tell people is that if your negative debt is huge and you're paying 29%, it's, in my opinion, it's better just to knock out that debt first, because it's going to be more interest and more pain than it's going to be that positive cash flow. Knock out that debt as fast as possible, and then get to other things. Passive cash flow. The next thing is emergency fund. So I think a 1 month emergency fund is necessary, but after you get to that 1 month emergency fund, so basically when you have your budget, look at how much you averagely spend per month. So it's like 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is. Keep that amount of cash in cash and put it in an envelope, put it fucking somewhere, and then use that money just for an emergency. So if you're part of the government shutdown, you have 1 month of income. And once you get that 1 month, slowly do 5, 10%, whatever you're going to do. Slowly make a 2 month, 3 month. I would make it up to 6 months. So you have 6 months of cash sitting there, not investable, not into a bond, not into anything. It just sits there waiting for an emergency. That's why, hence emergency fund. Okay, so guys, here's some updates. Still working on the website, doing a whole bunch of website updates. You guys will see it on there eventually. My goal is to have it done within the next week. So you'll be able to see all the newsletters, the description. You guys can see exactly what I'm trading, what other people are trading. And, you know, guys, there's a lot been going on, especially with the government in the United States. And I need you guys, you know, we'll start a conversation about this, you know. So drop some comments, like, subscribe. Let's get this out there. And, you know, if you guys have any questions, you can hit me up through Facebook, or mainly on Facebook, or you can hit me up through YouTube and stuff. My social media things are down there, so you guys can go there. And if you guys need a consultation about trading or investing, just go through AndreJMcClendon.com, hit Trade with Andre, and make an appointment. Okay? So guys, have a beautiful day, and enjoy you guys' Saturday out there. And I'm going to have a nice time eating right now. It's breakfast. Have a beautiful day, guys. Thank you.